Welcome makers! Today's tutorial is a ribbon lei made out of this beautiful Song of India ribbon. I'm using a roll of Song of India ribbons sent to me from Essentials on Instagram. I will link her page in my bio. This is a 7/8 inch double face satin ribbon that comes in a 50-yard spool. You will need most of the spool, about 45 yards, to make a standard 40-inch lei. I am starting by cutting my ribbon to size. You can adjust this to create different looks, but for this tutorial, I'm creating the lei to be the same size as a fresh Song of India lei, so I need each ribbon piece to be about 4 inches. I recently got this ribbon cutting machine, which makes the work go faster. It doesn't seal the ends, but the cut is clean enough for this style that I didn't need the ends sealed. I will link the machine in the description. To make a 40-inch standard lei in this style, I would estimate you need 400 ribbons or 45 yards of ribbon, making this lei under $20 to make. To create the lei, I have a double strand of string. I recommend cotton string or dental floss. To make the process easier, I'm using a piece of packaging foam to hold my needle. Create a ribbon loop by crossing the right side of the ribbon over the left. Pierce through both sides of the ribbon. As you add each ribbon loop, position the ribbons in a star shape. After you have done a group of ribbons, carefully move them down your string. You can string the ribbons on together more tightly. The look I was going for is the spacing of the fresh Song of India lei. This is an easy lei to make. It does take a couple hours to finish, but the ribbon is a beautiful quality and the finished lei turned out great. I opted to finish my lei with some kukui nuts because I want to save some of my ribbon for another tutorial. Here is my finished lei. Thanks for watching.